what time it is. It's my time. I got here K&N air filter. So my setup is pretty simple. You know, some people, they have like the box out, turn around and let you guys see. See, I just have the, you know, mine's just open or whatever. So this give it better airflow. And as you can see, it's filthy. It's pretty dirty, man. So it's been past time for me to change it out. On my setup, I'm only gonna need one tool and 2 sockets. So I have the 8mm. Let's see if it can come in clear. I have an 8mm, which will go for the O-ring, and I have the 10mm that will go on the other side. So it's a pretty simple setup for myself. See, I have a 10mm here and a 8mm there, and look how disgusting this is. So this is, you know, this with my new air filter. See if I can get this open. It's only gonna take about 5 minutes to do it. Now, the only reason why it's gonna take that long is because this has to actually line up properly. Once you unhook those two, you know, they kind of come with this. It's kind of pain to get them lined up. But I do have a new air filter here, and I also have I have it on my car. So I have one of these already on my car. But I also have the cleaning solution, or whatever you want to call it, because these right here are washable. You can run them out with a water hose, reuse them, and recharge them with this kit here. These will actually last. It says a lifetime. I don't know how long a lifetime is. I'm guessing the life of the vehicle until you get rid of it. But it's way better than replacing one of these, because these air filters here are around 10 or 15 bucks. So if you do the math, if you keep buying them, you know, throughout the years or whatever, the price starts to add up when you can literally just buy one of these for around 50 bucks. You can get it on Amazon, or you can go to K&N to get it off their website, or Advanced Auto. I don't know. Well, I don't know if AutoZone and Advanced will have it, because see here, you need this hook on my setup. So you just can't buy just a regular circular one. It has to have this hook, because it has to screw on. So I don't know if they'll actually have it, but I know Amazon and you can actually go to K&N website to actually get it or whatever. So what car does this specifically go to, I have no idea, but I know it fits mine. So we're gonna go ahead and knock this out, and I'll show you the end results. This is the actual instructions or whatever. And I didn't even know they actually had an example of the Slingshot in here. When I ordered it, I just went off of the design and actually having that hook, because it didn't say specifically for the Slingshot. But obviously, this is the Slingshot engine. That's the filter, the O-ring, taking off the old one, putting on a new one. As you can see, the seats in the back. So that's how you know that's how I know it's a Slingshot. And this is the new setup here. And they even talk about, you know, the screws or whatever that you'll have to take off, and they come in instructions, which I'm kind of surprised, because I just bought this just off the wing, you know what I'm saying, just off a whim of actually looking at the design of what I already have on there, because on the website it didn't say it was specifically for the Slingshots or whatever. But like I said before, it has that hook on there. So that's the main part that you have. Now you have that box or whatever. It was 2 designs of a box. One comes like this, but it has like the half cover, so that would attach to this, and I believe it's another screw at the bottom. But if you have the whole filter, obviously you have to take all of that off, you know what I'm saying, in order to put this on right here. But that was kind of good. I mean, I kind of got lucky, you know what I'm saying? I got lucky me ordering it or whatever, so I'll be back.
Got that one off. Taking this one off. This is a 8 mil. Don't really need to take it off too much. And obviously have to loosen this one in order to get it. Thought I was gonna be able to get it without that one, but this one has to come off as well. So I'm gonna get that off and I'll get this wrapped up.
So get it off. Whew. I cannot. I'm ashamed of myself. This is freaking ridiculous. It's freaking ridiculous, man. I'm very, very embarrassed. Look how dirty that thing is. But this is the hook I was talking about. Probably the new one. As you can see, the hook, same size. Hook, same setup. So we do the same thing in reverse. I've taken it off.
This right here actually has let's see, it has that on the other side. So
you can get another socket or a ratchet or whatever to hold it on the other side to tighten it down. But this should only take you maybe 5 or 10 minutes, just depends on the setup or whatever. So and get everything tightened back up and then we'll wrap this video up.